honored man falls into great poverty, who has been rich and of great well-being. He knows nothing of shame in any way, rather he prefers to hide his suffering. Therefore mercy is greater and the gift more noble, when one does good to the shamefaced poor, than to many others who seek assurance in asking. For I was rich and of good manner, until my lady turned me into error. For she is evil and savage and warlike toward me, and she sins, for she thus dishonors me. For she finds no cause in me, except that I am faithful and loving to her, and for this wrong she will not give me pardon. Give me pardon, give me pardon, give me pardon, give me pardon. Her war is so overpowering against me, that if she does me harm, I dare not take vengeance. For if I flee or change my path, before my eyes I see her beautiful semblance. Therefore I am not powerful in fleeing, nor in returning, for a case would be good for me, or such an end that she would have honor from it. Nothing helps me, neither force nor skill I use, more than to the besieged when he fears death, who builds inside and tunnels and makes a loophole, and against the army takes aim at shooting. But the other archer from outside is more cunning, who strikes first through that hidden place, and my lady holds me in such a balance. She is so sweet, frank, and pleasing, with courteous words and with beautiful semblance, that I have no power to bear it, more than the bird that is raised there toward France, when one calls it and it responds eagerly, and knows it is dead by my heart willing. To the best bolts that from her beautiful eyes she watches at me. I do wrong that I ever called her deceitful, but a driven lover has neither sense nor memory. For I almost die, so true she is to me. For she has distanced me from the poor hope, from which I was joyful at certain hours. But now I am bereft of love and joy, if with entire joy she does not reconcile me. Song go to the good king toward Cervera, who in good worth has no equal in the world. If only he were more frank toward my lady of Cabrera, for in nothing else does she do excess. And every rich man, when he destroys his barons, is less loved and valued by the most worthy. And I say it, for I bear her true love. Lady Vienna, I do not complain of you at all, but I would greatly need a more upright reward for the long wait in which I had hope. I had hope, I had hope, I had hope. Brother, I well wish that we maintain the worthy and confound the wicked and annoying, for my Rainier does not hold himself in balance against them. Fair chastity, up your powerful worth stands on high when all others go low, for with better value it improves and advances. And since I do not seem like as an hat nor you, I cannot be happy nor joyful.